SQL Joins are the cornerstone of effective data analysis, empowering professionals to extract insight from complex data sets. Today, we are going to learn 7 SQL Join every data professional must know. My name is Abdul Kadri Salami. Let's do it. Welcome to SQL Join. Today, let's start with inner join. Right now, I'm going to use my database called SQL Store, and I'm going to use products as a table and then shippers as a table. I'm going to use these two tables to demonstrate this practical experience. So right now, let's talk about inner join. Inner join is used perfectly for finding common ground between data sets by retrieving only recorded with matching values in both tables. In summary, inner join retrieve record with matching values in both tables. Okay, so right now, like I said, I'm going to use my products and my shippers. These are the two tables I'm going to use. So, but let's have a look. We have product here. We have product ID. We have name. We have in stocks and price. Okay, these are the details in my first table. And my second table, let's take a look at it. We have shippers ID. So this is it. So now let's write the query. We are going to use select all, which is asterisk, from products. S, that's my first table. Inner join shippers, that's my second table. On products dot product ID, yeah, which is equals to shippers, which is my shippers, no shippers dot shippers ID. So now this is the query, and this we retrieve record with matching value in both tables. Okay, so now look at it. Perfect. So what it does, it picks the matching value from table A, which is products, and table B, which is shippers. So this is how inner join works. Okay, let's talk about left join. Left join is used in situations where you need all data from the left table, regardless of matches in the right table. So in summary, left join is used to retrieve all record from the left table and matching record from the right table. Okay, so right now, this is what we have. These are left join query. Now select all from products, which is my first table, left join it to my second table on product ID. So now this is it. To execute it, so this is how it works. So now we have our left join. So we have our product ID and name. So now we have left join check. Left join with null check. Now what this does is that this filter only the records where there's no match in the right table. So to do that now, what we have to do is this is our query. We need to include where shippers dot ship ID is null. That's it. So this is how left join with null check. This is how it works. So let's execute it. So that's it. So this is the record. So now we have in our shippers ID, we have null, null, null. In our name too, we have null. So left in and left join with null check. This is how it works. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more of our videos. Thank you. Welcome back. Let's talk about right join. Now, right join is useful for obtaining all data from the right table, regardless of matches in the left table. So in summary, we use right join to retrieve all records from the right table and matching records from the left table. Okay, for example, this is our queries. We have select all asterisk from product, right join, shippers on product. Like I said, my product is my table 1, which is table A. My products is my table A, and my shippers is my table B. So right now, let's execute it. Okay, so this is it. Now we have right join the tables. So this is what we have. Product ID 1 to 5. You have the names. So like I said, right join retrieve all the record from the right table and the matching record from the left table. So this is the output. So this is the result. Okay, now let's talk about full join. Now, full join is used for combining complete data sets from both tables by retrieving all record when there is a match in either the left or right table, which means full join return all record when there is a match in either left or right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use union to merge my left join and right join to give me my full join. I seem to like this method. So right now, I'm going to use my left join and my right join, then use the union to merge them together so I can receive the result that I want for full join. Okay, so this is how it works. So right now, I have select from my table called product as P, that's an alias, then left join it with shippers, which is another table, as S on my table underscore my column called product ID, which is my primary key. So equals to my X, which is my shippers dot my column, my primary key, which is shippers underscore ID. So I'm using union to merge these two tables together. So what union does is that union operation combines the result of the two selected query, remove any duplicate row and merge them together. It combines them together. We use union when we want to merge result from different queries and ensure that the output contains only unique row without duplicates. So I'm using union to merge these two queries together, and that will give me my full join. So right now, I have my query written like I explained. So I'm joining it using union to merge it, okay, from my join. So my left join is what we have here, which is select all from product, then as P, which is an alias, then left join as shippers. So I'm using my union here to merge it with my right join, which is select all from product as P as an alias, then right join to. So these what I'll be doing, but I'm using union. I'm introducing union to merge the two together, and that will give me my full join. So now to execute this now, let's do it out. So that's it. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you. you.